Springfield, where the city's mayor has tested positive for COVID-19. Good Friday evening, everyone. Welcome to Western Mass News at 6. I'm Chris Pisano. The announcement about Mayor Sarno coming out this morning as cases citywide continue to rise, and just one day before the world's largest pancake breakfast, one of the biggest city events of the year. Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford joins us live from Springfield with the latest details. Paris.
Chris, Mayor Domenic Sarno will be in 5 days of isolation since his positive test, and therefore will not be able to make the pancake breakfast tomorrow. Now, we are told to Springfield Mayor Domenic Sarno tested positive for COVID-19, his office announced on Friday. He's experiencing mild symptoms and will be in isolation for the next 5 days. His schedule was extremely busy this week. Western Mass News caught up with him at an event on Wednesday honoring Springfield police officers. Later that day, he was at 3 other events before heading to the Springfield Thunderbirds game. We last saw him Thursday afternoon at a news conference, and he was also at the T-Birds game Thursday night. We asked if there was any contact tracing being done from these events. The mayor's communication director tells us, quote, "All city department heads have been notified. Pursuant to the CDC guidelines, all city employees that were in close contact with the mayor, including the mayor's staff, have taken the rapid at-home test and/or are monitoring their symptoms." Mayor Sarno is usually a main guest at the Spirit of Springfield's world's largest pancake breakfast, and this year will not be in attendance. The event is still planned as scheduled despite a spike in cases within the city.
I think we're going to have the largest turnout we have ever had. I am really thinking it's going to be the largest, judging by the calls, the number of volunteers, bigger than ever before.
Judy Matt, president of Spirit of Springfield, says they are doing what they can to keep people safe.
Telling everybody to decide for themselves what they want to do. And we are so spread out, as you know, it's all of Main Street, from State and Main to Bridge. So there's plenty of places they can stand if they choose not to be near anyone.
She tells Western Mass News there will be masks and hand sanitizer at every ticket booth. Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton Harris says there will also be free at-home COVID-19 testing kits given out. However, they do expire at the end of the month.
We are going to be obviously making sure that we continue to push those out. We will be giving them out at the pancake breakfast just to make sure, and telling folks that, you know, they expire in a couple of weeks.
Now, there is currently a mask advisory in the city of Springfield for those most at risk for COVID-19. Reporting live in Springfield, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.